Alright, geometry. Today we're going to be doing a lesson 11-5, volumes of pyramids and cones. So a pyramid, the volume is 1/3 the area of the base times height, and a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. So if we're looking at it, I know I said that was number 5, but I modified it a little bit here. So if we're trying to find the volume of this pyramid, okay, the first thing I noticed, what's your base on this? Your base, okay, so your big B is a square. So that means that the area of the base is base times height. So your big B should be easy. Your big B is base times height, so it's an 11 by 11, which is 121. Okay, the height. So to find the height of this, you've got your right triangle coming in there. Half of this, because that's the center of it coming down, half of that is 5.5. So if I draw my right triangle, let's just say I'm going to draw it right here. This is 5.5. My hypotenuse is 9. So using that Pythagorean theorem, 9 squared minus 5.5 squared. Okay, so 9 squared minus 5.5 squared gives me 50.75. Let's take the square root of that to find that. And we get 7.1. So my height of this is 7.1. So now my volume is big B times h. Well, big B we just said was 121. H is 7.1. 121 times 7.1 is 859.1 centimeters cubed. Okay, don't make these hard. Look at that base, figure out what shape it is, tell me what shape it is, and then give the basic area formula for it. If this was a hexagon, what's your basic area formula? The 1/2 AP. If this was a triangle, the basic area formula, 1/2 base times height. Okay, use your basic area formulas when you can. Okay, so the volume of a cone, very simple. So if this is my cone, we don't have to find anything. It gives me the height, it gives me the radius. So let's just plug in. Volume equals 1/3 pi radius squared times height. So this would be 1/3 pi 16 times 9. So 16 times 9 is 144. So we've got 1/3 times 144 is 144 thirds pi centimeters cubed. Leave it in terms of pi. Okay, and leave it as fractions. You don't have to multiply those all the way out. I want to see them in terms of pi with the fractions in there. So again, another very easy assignment if you just write everything out. It's not hard. Volume of pyramids and cones. Take your time, work out every single problem, show all of the work. If you have to, go in and tell me that that base is square. Or tell me that base is triangular, or tell me it's a hexagonal base. It's going to help you when you're trying to do those basic area formulas. Okay, so you're back to those basic area formulas for a lot of these. So there it is, volumes of pyramids and cones. If you have questions, you guys know how to find me.